Hey man, hope you're doing alright. Well done with training this morning. Did really well. Like, I know we kind of pushed you quite a bit on chest day, which is nice to see. So as you can see, you've got a new little bit down the overview page. So every single week, your check-ins will come through here. So every Friday, it'll literally just be the date of that Friday, and then the link at the bottom to a YouTube video, which will take you pretty much to this video. I don't know why that's so. I don't know if your mouse is doing it, but mine's all shaky. Check-in notes and make sure you're still trying to fill this in as the week goes on, just so I know what we need to address. Actual training, going really well. I have adjusted that so you have your deload week. What I'll do is I'll create your new session plan now and tomorrow morning, so it'll be done, ready to go for Monday. Just actually, let's set this actually. Sebastion. Awesome. Sessions have gone really well. What I'm going to do is I'll use the exercise that I think you did really, really well with, and ones that I think you struggle with, or we can change out to make it a bit better, and adjust it into your plan. Are you still happy with 4 days? Because I don't want you, like the other day, you said you went into the gym and you did leg press as well as chest press. But then today we had chest, so there's little things like that. So we need to make sure we do have those rest days in between. Otherwise, you're going to be burning yourself out, basically. Coming along to nutrition. Oh, that's not. Yeah. This was the old image has become moved. Let me move that down there. There we are. So with nutrition, it's bang on as always. Really, really good. We're going to keep your calories the same for now. Yeah, don't want to push them up just yet. Can I get some new photos and stuff sent over, and then we can assess it from that. So if I feel that you're, we can fill you out more, definitely we'll chuck some more calories in. Just because your weight has slowly dropped again. It was going up, massive drop. Okay, and are these steps accurate? So I don't know if you're doing it for a phone or for a Fitbit. So let us know, because these are really low days and you have crazy days, and which does even out at the end of the week. But we just need to make sure that's consistent. Right, that's pretty much it, man. So just send us your photos. We'll have a look at that. I'll get your new plan sent over. Tell you when it's done, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll catch you later. Have a good weekend. Enjoy Far Cry.